Hello people, my name is Deepak Meena and you are watching Island Place Tag John channel, and we are continuing our series on understanding the concept of X. In the last video we have seen what is request, tab just, and how to access different parameters of request object. In this video we will see how to send data in our query parents and how to access it. So basically you send data in http request in different ways, like you can send it inside your body, you can send it inside your query parameters, you can send inside your headers, you can send it inside your resource parameter. In this video we are interested in sending parameter in query and extracting those parameters and URL parameters. So suppose our request that are using this link, this is the URL parameter, or this is the parameter name, parameter 1, or query string begin, this is the sign of query string begin, or this is the equal sign, or this is the parameter value, and this end sign is query string separator. Parameter 2 is the same process of the same. So next slide we are looking query parameters in express http request. They are using in the video, in previous video, something like this is http localhost 300 and the user. So this is a localhost breadth of the detached etp server, and the user is the resource that we are trying to access, or user is a root or endpoint that we are trying to access. Now suppose you want to send some data to it with this request, like we want to find the users for a particular location, you want to find the user for a particular age. So how to do that? So one of the way of sending your data through in your express http request is by using this query parameter. So how to write a query parameter? So you need to provide a question mark, and the with the question must you need to follow your query parameter. So the first word is the key and the second one is the value. So here what we are sending the query parameter, key as location and the value as India. Now suppose you want to send multiple query parameters, so how to send that? So you can send multiple parameter by using the arms percent sign on the. So here after the question mark, here there is one of is the key, that is location, which has a value of India, and the age is there, which is having a value of 25. So what does this mean? That you want to send, you want to find the user whose location is in India, and the age is 25. So there can be a business logic of searching it any other way, or you can use this data in some other, but I am trying to explain you that how to send this query parameter in HTTP request. So this is a simple way through which you can add multiple query parameter using the ampersand sign, and you can send that to the HTTP request. Now the question arises that how to access this query parameters values, like what the key and the values. So it is a very simple thing to access, and if you need to access it, you just need to write a request or query in your in route handler. So we will see it that. So this is the URL link, and this is the query string begins question mark. Oh, this is the key one is the first variable name, and this equal sign is the value separator, and value is the first property value, and is the and sign is the separator, and key 2 is equal to second variable name. This is the query string, this is the value separator, and value 2 second property value. So this is the URL parameters and query parameters in HTTP request.